Welcome to RACM's Powerful Podcast, where we discuss new topics and products. I'm Jeff Deutschman, your product moderator. From a quarter watt up to 2 kilowatts, whether the power is required for an industrial setting, a new IoT gadget, or a high-end medical-grade device, RACM has you covered. In this episode, we're coming at you with a brand new power supply, the RACM30-K/277. Peter, please tell us more about this part.
Yeah, happy to. This is a 30-watt AC to DC power supply that can accept an extended input up to 277 volts AC. It's a great product that fills the gap between our 20-watt and 40-watt units.
That is excellent news. So, is this going to be a board-mounted unit?
Yeah, it does come as a through-hole component for easy PCB integration. However, there are multiple options for off-board mounting as well. There are options for wired leads, panel mount push-in terminals, and it can even be DIN rail mounted.
Lots of good options there. We like that. Hey, what kind of output voltages are offered on this supply?
Yeah, so we have standard single voltages, 5, 12, 15, and 24 volts DC. There's also dual options such as plus minus 12 volts and plus minus 15 volts.
Are all the mounting options available for all of the voltage options?
Not quite. The dual output parts are currently only available as through-hole components. There's a couple other exceptions that can be found on the datasheet, but all the single output options are fair game.
Got it. Hey, let's get into the thermal performance and efficiency of this part.
Yeah, let's do it. The RACM30-K has a strong efficiency, which is typically 90% from light loads all the way up to 30 watts. Because of the high efficiency levels, it also has excellent ambient temperature ranges, operating full load from minus 40 degrees C to 60 degrees C, and can even get up to 90 degrees C with power derating.
That is fantastic, Peter. Hey, now did I see that this part can also operate in boost power mode?
Yeah, it sure does. Like many of our other AC/DCs, this part can output higher than 30 watts for a short period. The 5 volt and 12 volt options can temporarily go up to 33 watts, and the 15 volt and 24 volt options can support 36 watts. Customers just need to make sure that the recovery power and time is enough to let the internal components cool down.
Very nice. Hey, I see this power supply has an M in the part number. Safe to assume that this is medical grade like our other parts?
Yep, that's right. But it doesn't stop there. In addition to the medical 60601 certification, this part is also certified for household, industrial, as well as test and measurement equipment. Each of these certifications is offered as a CB report to simplify that tedious process for our customers.
Now we're talking. Hey, does it make sense for industrial customers to look at this, even though it's a medical grade part?
Absolutely. Even though it's medical, it doesn't really come with a premium price tag. Customers will find that this is a great value and very competitively priced. Doesn't matter if the application is monitoring patients or monitoring home energy use. It makes sense for everyone.
That's what we like to hear. Hey, let's wrap up by talking about the package size. How big is this supply?
Yeah, so the RACM30K's form factor is a rectangle with chamfered corners. It's very power dense and only takes up 53.1 by 41 millimeters of board space. And that has a height of 25.5 millimeters, which is just over an inch.
Okay, that's the board mount. What about the off-board, the panel mount option? How big is this one?
Yeah, the off-board solution is 85 by 40 millimeters and 33 millimeters tall. It has to be larger to account for the panel mount connectors, and that's easily mounted by using the 4 onboard through holes, which are 3.3 millimeters in diameter.
Wow, that's excellent. Peter, sounds like we got a winner. Thank you very much. Well, that about wraps it up for this episode of RACM's Powerful Podcast. Be sure to listen next time when we delve into the pros of another RACM topic. As always, please contact your regional sales manager for any samples or pricing information. Our applications engineers are always happy to assist you with any technical questions or requests. You can email them at techsupport@racm-power.com. Until then, have a great day, and always remember,
RACM powers your products.